How to recover deleted TikTok messages. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover deleted TikTok messages. So first thing, simply head over to your TikTok application and make sure you're signed into your account. And once you're inside here, so just click on your messages. Let me just show you by deleting one message. Let's say I want to delete this message. So once I delete this message, to recover it back, what I can do is simply head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply click on security and privacy, and from over here just click on account, and you can see there's an option called download your data. So simply click on it, and you can select how much data you want to download. So if you want to download everything from your TikTok, like likes, comments, favorites, watch history or direct messages, everything, you simply have to click on this all data. But if you want to download a specific part of your TikTok, that is if you only want to download messages for example, then you can choose the custom option and click on done. So let me just select this one and click on done, and you can also select your file format like this and just click on request data, and as you can see it will be requested, and when your file is ready for download it will be available for 4 days, and if you submit another request your existing file will expire. So you can simply click on this download button over here, and you will have to verify your account, and once you verify your account you will be able to successfully download your all of your TikTok data and recover your deleted messages just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.